12 species in genus Apium. Apium, a deep dive with Ferb. The world of plants is vast and diverse, filled with fascinating genera that each hold their own unique stories. Today, Ferb, want to delve into the intriguing world of Apium, a genus that belongs to the Apiaceae family. This family is known for its aromatic members and includes well-known culinary herbs like parsley, cilantro, and dill. Apium, however, stands out with its own distinct characteristics and uses. Unpacking the Apium genus. Apium is a genus of about 12 species of flowering plants, commonly known as celery or marshwort. These plants typically thrive in wet environments like marshes and salt marshes, hence the name marshwort. The genus boasts a subcosmopolitan distribution, meaning it's found in various parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, South America, and Australia. One of the most remarkable aspects of Apium is its disjunct distribution. This means the species within this genus are not clustered together geographically, but are instead scattered across different continents and hemispheres. This unusual distribution pattern raises interesting questions about the evolutionary history and dispersal mechanisms of Apium. Apium species. While Apium encompasses around 12 species, some have garnered more attention than others due to their economic and culinary importance. Here are a few noteworthy ones. Apium graveolens. This is the species that gives us the celery we all know and love. It's been cultivated for centuries, with evidence suggesting its use in ancient Egypt. Interestingly, not only the stalks but also the leaves and seeds of this species are edible and have been used for culinary and medicinal purposes. Plant FAQs. Apium graveolens. Apium prostratum, native to Australia. This species is commonly known as sea celery. It's a creeping plant that thrives in coastal environments and has a long history of use as a food source by indigenous Australians. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The celery we know and love. Of all the Apium species, Apium graveolens holds a special place in our kitchens and on our dinner tables. This species has been domesticated and cultivated into different varieties, each prized for specific parts of the plant. Celery. This is the most common variety, cultivated for its crisp, crunchy stalks. It's a staple in salads, soups, and snacks. Celeriac. This variety is grown for its large, bulbous root, which has a celery-like flavor and is used in stews, soups, and salads. Leaf celery. As the name suggests, this variety is cultivated for its flavorful leaves, which are used as a herb in various dishes. The versatility of Apium graveolens is a testament to its adaptability and the ingenuity of humans in harnessing the potential of the natural world. Apium in the bigger picture. The study of Apium, like any other genus, is crucial for several reasons. It helps us understand the biodiversity of our planet, the evolutionary relationships between different species, and the potential uses of plants for food, medicine, and other purposes. Furthermore, the conservation of endangered Apium species highlights the importance of protecting our natural heritage and ensuring the survival of these plants for future generations. Beyond the basics. As we continue to explore the world of Apium, there's much more to uncover. Further research into the genus could reveal new species, new uses for existing species, and a deeper understanding of the ecological roles these plants play in their respective environments. The journey of discovery never truly ends, and the Apium genus, with its intriguing characteristics and diverse species, offers a fascinating path for further exploration. This exploration of Apium has only scratched the surface. There's a wealth of information waiting to be discovered about this fascinating genus. I encourage you to delve deeper, learn more, and appreciate the wonders of the natural world that surround us.